when we talk about edge, depending on who you talk to, different people define edge in their own way. How do you define edge? Because you did give some example. I mean, when I look at Tesla cars, I call them IoT devices on wheels or supercomputers on wheels kind of thingy. And then you also have IoT, which are small, tiny sensors in a homes or a factory floor. Edge can also mean resource constrained data center somewhere remotely. Edge can also means closer to user. So I want to understand, from your perspective, how do you define edge?
Right now, if you see our hyperscalers like Google and Amazon, they have been rolling out certain offering like IoT and IoT related offering as an edge. Of course, those are because they are getting data from the remote sensors and all. That makes sense. But now when I'm talking about it is more around edge infrastructure. That means building a smaller data center close to the source of application or user, so that you get next level of experience. Some of these use cases which I talked about, augmented reality or remote robotic surgery or driverless car, how will you enable it? See, there are two perspectives, Swapnil. What I can do, and that's what's happening right now. So I'll take one very basic example, that if you go to IKEA shop, they will give you an augmented reality heavy device which you can wear on your head, and then you can start visualizing that this particular sofa set, how it will look with my home, what curtains and stuff like that. Right now what is happening is all the compute, storage, network, everything is built on that particular device. Imagine a situation if you are just wearing a very small thin Google glasses, and all the processing happening to a edge site which is closer to a IKEA shop, then the experience is huge, because those heavy devices you can't really wear for more than 30 minutes. Same thing, IoT device. If you start building these compute, storage, and network capacity, the cost will be humongous. So the whole industry 4.0 will not have the value. So that's where you need edge site, which is close to the application, close to the data, and it can be used by many other such applications. So that's how I define edge, and edge as an inference. So whatever we are doing, we are specifically focusing on edge infrastructure. So product around edge infrastructure, how to build it, how to operate it. That's the main function or focus of this company, Coredge.